What's our next interview all about?
Let me drop a hint. पंखों को हवा लगने दो.
What?
You don't know about the student mentors helping SRIs through their CIPCC journey?
SRCC Wings of Fire.
You got it right.
SRCC Wings of Fire is a platform based on the concept been there, done that. After clearing IPCC, 9 SRI decided to guide others through this amazing journey.
So what are we waiting for? Let's hear from them.
Thanks to CKK for this opportunity. Since it was not possible to interview all of us, it was considered apt that a video be recorded. Unfortunately, all of us could not join. We are not joined by Harsh and Rishabh. Talking about Wings of Fire or this initiative would be difficult, but we hope we are able to give you some glimpse about what the concept is, how we initiated, what aim do we have, and what is it's about the future course and about the C as a course as a whole.
Talking about the Wings of Fire, it is student to student assistance. After our attempt, the main question which was striking in our mind was what next? But we were clear with one thing, that the main aim is to share, maintain and update our knowledge. So we came up with this idea so that we can share the experience and knowledge with the others so that it can be helping hand from both the sides.
So, talking about the name Wings of Fire, so it's an interesting story. Three of us gave the attempt from Delhi only. So, immediately after the attempt, we all were sitting in a room and thinking about this initiative, and a lot of ideas were popping in our mind. So, once this idea came up, the basic question was how we name it so that we can communicate it well to our other fellow mates who are still in their hometowns and who are yet to come. So by default, I was reading the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president. So initially, it got ignite in our mind कि we all have that spark, we all have that fire. All we need is wings, and the Wings of Fire is a very apt name. And since it goes with the name of the title of the biography also, so it gave a lot of boost. As in, you hear the word Wings of Fire, you get a motivation, you get a pump up that yes, you have to do something. So we ultimately got this name, and when our fellow batchmates who gave IPCC along with us, they came back. So once we communicated this idea to them, we were able to transfer that spark, the ignite that we thought of, to the other fellow batchmates as well.
The response so far has been great. It was not expected the response that we got. The initial phase obviously was not so soothing. Initially, post our attempt, even we weren't sure whether we will pass or not, but successfully we were able to clear. The initial phase, and proudly we started with cost account notes because during that time we had cost accounting as a semester subject. But unfortunately, we failed. We weren't able to deliver what we decided. But it was more of a setback and inspiration for us to take this more seriously. So post our result, we started. People started requesting us for classes. We had corporate accounting for SEM 2, SEM 4 during that time. So we started with classes, but there were problems. We did not get the permission for classes. We started with sports ground. Amalgamation, I remember, was the first class we took. Then slowly we came to the notes, circulated the notes that could be used in the class. We thought of using the term Wings of Fire along with the notes, but we were prevented by the authorities not to use this. So we decided to keep this pro bono. So it was considered apt and we complied with this. Then later we conducted some classes for accounts for holding company. The response was huge. I personally had not expected 80 students sitting at 10 o'clock, and when I entered I was astonished. It was the team that encouraged, yes, we can pull up this, and this was indeed the class that the students wanted. Also, our seniors had semester 6 as income tax batch, income tax class. So what they were lacking is after a crossroads, they did not get any class or any sort of remedial. So we had a prior experience of tax as a subject in our IPCC, and all were really proficient in that proudly. So we made notes. 6-7 of us prepared a chapter each, starting from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 p.m. in the evening. we took a whole stage class and it was huge success. And post result, when you get a call or a WhatsApp message from a senior that thanks Wings of Fire, it was indeed helpful. That makes your day. That makes this initiative appreciating and feel good. This semester, the journey has been quite exciting. The initial phase, I admit, was not that successful. It was restricted to classes, the notes, the objective that was to share our knowledge, we were able to comply with. In the initially phase, we started with releasing our notes. We had prepared from different sources, all of us had different books. We compiled them and released in the form of a PDF pro bono from our FB page. And it was huge. It has been helpful for a lot of students. Today was proudly the Law, Ethics and Communication exam. It was good to hear from a junior or from your batchmate that the questions that were there in ethics made easy or communication made easy were directly asked in the exam. So that makes us feel good. Also, certain topics like audit supplement that included certain mnemonics, how to remember the company law sections in an easy way. Pehle auditor aayega, fir auditor jayega, kya kya wo paayega. It was quite insightful, and we were also discussing about the group, and Atish came up with an idea that we can start with a WhatsApp group for November 16 attempt. So that was helpful a lot to the students.
And also, when we started, the interesting part was that we being second years are teaching first year, second year and third year as well. So it's so great to, you feel proud on your part only that you being a second year, you are teaching the entire BCom honors course by just giving one IPCC exam. So the major power, the major strength that we had was that we had diversity. So to bring that unity in diversity is what Wings of Fire did. We all studied from different sources, we all took different coachings, we had hundreds of various ways to do one particular thing. So obviously when everything compiled and everything got one particular place, so that became the power, and we want to use that power very efficiently and for a good cause for the future generations, for our fellow batchmates or for even our juniors, because this is the weapon which can be utilized and which can be very powerful.
Even the queries that were discussed in the WhatsApp group created for November 16 attempt were the same queries that we faced during our attempt. So we generally, when the question was posed by some of the member of the group, and mutually they discussed a lot because they are at same level. We aren't able to guide them as effectively or tell about a particular question or particular problem as they themselves can. But we provided a lot of we had expertise, we had dealt with certain queries. I personally had mailed the institute a number of times that this was a problem in the study material and had got the reply as well. So ICI has also been quite helpful to this initiative indirectly because the clarifications that the students needed had been provided by ICI to certain queries that we had sent to them. So WhatsApp group was quite successful, and we hope that this response in the next semester or even the remaining semester we could elicit upon it and make this a further successful program.
Yeah, Wings of Fire firmly believes that IPCC can even be taken as a knowledge enhancement or a skill enhancement course, even if you don't want to pursue CA finally. We strongly recommend each and every person who is doing BCom honors, BCom program to at least give this exam during his 3 years of college life. How will this benefit is that it will help him to open new gateways, new horizons. Even if he wants to do something else, this course will supplement it. Like for example, after giving my IPCC, I'm planning to go for UPSC. I'm preparing for it. And IPCC has helped me a lot in preparing for UPSC. If I have to tell you, then UPSC में जो optional होता है, I've opted for commerce and accountancy, and उसका जो first paper होता है, that majorly covers the portion which has already been covered in IPCC at a much higher level. So that will obviously supplement my knowledge when I'll be preparing for UPSC, giving UPSC exam.
Let's be frank. We all study for BCom just a month before we start preparing. So what happens generally, since we study for a month, we are not able to clarify all our concepts in detail. CA IPCC helps us into delving into those concepts in detail, and it also helps us during our interviews to enhance our CVs and additionally it helps us to ask, interview and even answer all those basic questions which other students who are only doing BCom they might have overlooked. So personally speaking, after IPCC, before IPCC I could never read Mint or the Economic Times. But after IPCC, it helped me in reading those newspapers in which I had the taxation part. Suppose the GST came out, so I could read that at a stretch for 2 hours, 3 hours, just because I gave IPCC, my concepts were clear. So we personally believe that even though you do not want to pursue this CA as a career or CA final, since few of us are not pursuing CA final, but you should go for IPCC. It will help you in BCom and in your CV and additionally in your personal life.
There is no thumb rule for passing any exam. All exams require hard work, commitment, passion, and there were many setbacks during and after the exams. We could not get the desired results, but we were ignited with this spark which ignited us, and it was indeed soothing. And as I said, we may not get the desired results. There were few among us who could not pass the exam, both groups, but they rather took it as a challenge, and they paved their way uh, with the hard work and made the way much smarter and stronger. And so there is little updation in the morale which we have been studying since the childhood, that slow and steady wins the race. Rather, I would say smart and steady wins the race. So talking about the preparation phase, obviously it was not a cakewalk. We need to, move from one place to another, talk to random people, ask them about how to do CA. Since we all have cleared CPT in the pre-phase only before starting the college, so everyone was having that little ignite key they have to do IPCC. But nobody know how to do IPCC, what are the programs, what is the administrative problems, what forms to be filled, how to give the payment, from where to take the books, and lot of other things. So I still remember that on 27th of July 2014, I decided that yes, I have to do CA and I have to register for IPCC. So I heard from someone that you have to make a draft of a particular amount and go to Shadra ICI Bhavan and register yourself. So after making draft, I went there. I never knew where this ICI Bhavan is. So once I came out of Shadra metro station, I asked someone ki, where is this ICI Bhavan, and they were like, what ICI Bhavan? Nobody knew it. Everyone remember the word CA. Nobody knows what ICAI is. So I moved from one place to another looking for where ICI Bhavan is. Finally, after a journey of 1 hour, I finally got to know that here is ICI Bhavan. I registered myself, and once I came back, I told everyone ki this is the path which you have to follow, that make this draft amount, go to this place, then go there, then go there. So this particular cycle of sharing what you know and taking from other what they know is how we did our CA, and which ultimately decide our journey.
It is not always advisable to go for rank. Obviously, some of us always think to prepare for rank, but it happens with us that at last we know that we can't get the rank. Our preparation level is not that up to mark. So at that time, rather than analyzing what we can do in the next attempt, our main aim is to focus on this attempt and just give our best shot.
As Atish mentioned, there's a lot of confusion about how to go about our IPCC attempt, because the people who are doing their correspondence CA, they have a fixed path to go. But when you're doing CA with BCom, you have certain confusion and certain you don't know how to go about it. And there were not many seniors in our batch, especially because they had that FIUP batch. So we had a lot of confusion about how to go, which subject to start with, when to start, and all that things. So once our attempt was completed, we decided that yes, there is a problem. We need to guide our juniors about it because we face the same problem. So yes, this was another motivation to guide our juniors because we face the same problems as well.
At times, managing it along with the societies also becomes quite a crucial task. But do not get worried. We all have been able to manage certain societies well. I was in particular in the dramatic society. It's all about the priorities. Once you are in society, focus there. Once you are studying, focus on your studies. So अगर काम से काम and keep काम से काम रखोगे तो सब कुछ हो जाता है सही में.
Talking about my experience, since I was also in dramatics, so towards the end of March, I decided that I'll give both the groups of IPCC. But when I started preparing, a lot of seniors and even my friends, they said that it's not possible to give both the groups of IPCC in just a preparation of 5 to 6 months. Then I talked to these few friends and I told them that I want to give both the groups, but I don't have that courage. So seeing them studying day and night, and then I decided that there is nothing that I can't do. And even those 2 months of break, like in the summer break, I studied hard. And after coming from home, being with these guys, discussing our doubts, we finally decided that giving both the groups together is not a difficult task. We can give that with a best shot with just a preparation of 5 to 6 months.
And frankly telling, Padi also used to say it during his preparation time. When you wake up, like we all were in hostel, so when you wake up in the morning and you are rubbing your eyes and coming out of your room, and then you see someone moving in the corridor with a book in his hand and preparing, so immediately you stop rubbing your eyes, you rush to washroom, brush your teeth, and then immediately you also pick up a book and start studying. So this is in fact the motivation, or rather we can say a positive competition that we had in our hostel environment or in our group environment, not hostel particularly, that we were able to fulfill our dreams or fulfill our desired goals, which promoted us or which provoked us to help others also in fulfilling their dreams as well.
One more particular advice I would give: do not get swayed away or persuaded by those people around. People will say that this is really difficult or this is easy. It is you who will decide whether it's easy or not, because everyone has some different strengths, some different weaknesses. It's you who has to capitalize on strength and minimize the weaknesses. So whenever you go for a course, be it CA, IPCC or be it anything, first decide on yourself whether you are capable of doing it in the month, in the given time, and if yes, then give your best shot. Do not get persuaded by the people.
But do stay positive. At the end, what will matter is the journey you have traveled so far. So even if you don't get ranked, you got a decent score, it will certainly boost you up and will help you in giving certain other competitive exams as well. So few of us after clearing IPCC are now pursuing to CAT. So the confidence that IPCC have built in them will be utilized in giving other professional exams or facing the other challenges of life. So be positive and have an optimistic approach towards pursuing this course. So during that 15 days, if you are able to manage your pressure, if you are able to manage your stress, एक के बाद एक 4 पेपर गंदे मैंने खुद दिए थे. I could not complete my initial 4 exams, and the last 3 exams marks helped me gain a decent score. So what matters is the entire positivity you maintain throughout the journey.
Every success is a compilation of small steps.
There was this girl who failed in CA final in one attempt, but in the next attempt she was the rank 1. So this is the kind of motivation we need to carry with ourselves, that there is nothing which we can't do. Even though there are few of us who could not make it, who could not clear second group, but they did not give up. They gave that second group again and with flying colors. So you just have to be on that road and just pull yourself up. That's it.
Things may always not turn out to be the way you want them to be, but you have to face it and you have to embrace your failures and move forward with them with the right energy, with the right attitude, a positive attitude, and give your best shot to defeat that failure and embrace success finally.
Talking about the future, I think we have built a sustainable model for ourselves. So we have a good base set up already, and we have some plans for the 6th semester. But after that, we think there are a lot of students who have benefited from our initiative, and they will be willing to carry forward this initiative. And we as seniors will always be there to guide and share our experience.
So towards the end, wings up!
Fire!